I found this box with cameras that my uncle gave me some years ago, okay? I don't even know, like, could this even be used, or, like, how would you even use this? I don't even know. Like, I'm not a camera girly, so I don't know anything about this. Here is another camera. I thought all of these things that he gave me was super dope, though. Look at it. These are literally vintage, back in the day cameras. Like, so if anybody knows anything about these cameras, like, please tell me. Like, could these actually be functional? I don't know what this is. I guess this is for... Oh, is this like back in the day when you push the... and it flash? Like in the TV shows? Here go another one. I need to look these up and see, like, what these are actually for. I know he had to have these for a long time. Like, look at these things. These things are so freaking old. But it's so cool. And then flash bulbs. So I'm assuming that... Okay, yeah, so these will go inside here. I want... Look how the case look. Like, the packaging. Oh my gosh. And here's another one. And then here's another little camera. This camera, I don't know. This might be my daughter's camera. I'm not sure. I think I might have gotten her this years ago. I don't know. And then, because Ian took a few pictures on here, and he was like, how did y'all, like, how am I supposed to get the pictures out of here? And I'm like, yo, you gotta go take it to get it developed or whatever. Do they even have cameras like this anymore? Like, can you even go get cameras like this developed? I'm curious to see, because they obviously was taking pictures. I'm curious to see, like, what is on here. I don't know. Is there any more here? What's this? Freaking film. Film. Yeah, I'm curious. But if y'all know anything about these cameras, like, let me know. And do you think that these cameras are still functional? You know, I don't know. I'm curious to know, especially like this one. I'm like, how would you even use... Is this like a video camera? Like, I don't know. But I'm curious to find out. So you guys let me know.